Hey all my grade 2 friends, this is Laura Marie Coleman here. I wanted to talk through something that came up in our grade 2 unit 2 planning meeting last week. We were looking at grade 2 unit 2 in lesson 8 where they're comparing subtraction, decomposing strategies, and in slide 11, activity 1 launch, this is the image on the slide. And we asked students to think about the pictures that Lin and Clare drew and what do we notice. And as a group of teachers, we were really struggling to figure out what Clare did. So it turns out that Clare thinks about 71 minus 56 and takes 50 away from 71 before she even starts her drawing. So on the next slide, they ask students which set of equations go with each drawing. So the B equations match Lin's drawing and the A equations match Clare's drawing. Except it's really hard because 70 minus 50 exists in the equation, but it doesn't exist or get shown anywhere in Clare's drawing. So when we figured out what was going on and we looked at the cool down. The cool down really is much more simplified. The cool down is looking at Mai's way where my, instead of drawing 6 tens and 3 ones, she draws 5 tens and 13 ones because thinking ahead sees that we have to decompose and does it before drawing it. And then Lin's way, she draws all 6 tens and 3 ones and takes 1 10 and decomposes it into 10 ones. So it's basically the idea of thinking ahead and just drawing that 10 as 10 ones to begin with, or drawing it as a 10 first and then decomposing it. So with this more simple idea of different ways to show the same thinking, we came up with the proposal that this would be a new drawing for slide 11. So if you want to substitute the drawing for Clare, you can use this one where Clare draws all 7 tens and then the 1 and then decomposes 1 into 10 tens. And then if you make that switch, so it aligns with the cool down, you would also need to switch the A equations. So this would need to match Clare's drawing. And that would now be 71 equals 70 plus 1, and then she decomposes. So 71 equals 60 plus 11. And then the 60 minus 50 equals 10, and 11 minus 6 equals 5. And then 10 plus 5 equals 15. So at the end of this, I will have 2 slides, a new slide 11 and a new slide 12 for you if you want to use them. All right, thank you. Take care.